Hello. In the last session, I promised that I will resolve the confusion, if any one of you has, regarding whether the direction matters or not. Okay? Whether the direction matters or not. A simple answer is no, it does not matter. Okay. However, there are some riders. Okay. You need to be consistent with your direction. Okay, what I mean by being consistent is that suppose you have 5 people, P, Q, R, S, T, like this. If you say P is to the left of R, Q also has to be to the left of R. If T is to the left of R, then S also has to be to the left of R. You cannot have T and S in two different positions from R, and P and Q in two different directions from R. Another way of looking at it, okay, suppose you shave in the mirror, okay, so you have a scar on the right side, okay, the mirror will show something like this, scar will be on this side. Now, whichever suppose you're using your hand, you're using razor on this side, okay, your hand will also be reflected on this side. Now you not have on the correct side the razor and the scar on the same side, and on this one razor and scar on the same side. I mean, if you are having it, then basically it's not your hand, it's probably some ghost standing behind your mirror. You should basically run away from there. Okay, now to prove it in another way, I will have the same problem. What we'll do is we'll look at two different directions. One is we'll use conventional left as left, conventional right as right. In the second case, we'll reverse the direction and see that. The only thing which is common between the two is the leftmost position is 1, the rightmost position is 5. This is just a marker, just to make sure that we can identify which is left, which direction is right. Okay, so let's read the information. Ajay is sitting to the right of Bijoy. So Bijoy, some positions Ajay. So in this case, Bijoy, the right direction is this, so Ajay will be this side. Ajay is 3 places away from Dilip. Here, this does not mention the direction. So it can be Ajay, 3 people Dilip, or Dilip, 3 places Ajay. Same goes here. Okay, Chandu is sitting at the extreme right end. So in this case, this will be Chandu. In this case, this will be Chandu. Okay, so I will use this information. Bijoy is sitting to the immediate left of Edgar. So in the first case, Bijoy is immediate left of Edgar. In this case, immediate left will be this. Now, we also know that Ajay is right of Bijoy. Ajay is right of Bijoy. So Ajay should come on this side. Similarly, Ajay is right of Bijoy. So Ajay should come on this side. Okay. Ajay should come on this side. So if I were to seat them here, Ajay cannot be put in position 1 because there is no place for Bijoy and Edgar. Cannot come in 2, cannot come in, if it can come in 3, but then D will come sit over here. So Ajay has to be put here. 2 places away will be D. This will be Bijoy. This should be Edgar. Now the reverse will happen here. Okay, if I put Ajay here, there is no place for Bijoy or Edgar. If I put Ajay here, there is no place for Bijoy and Edgar. If I put Ajay here, Dilip will come next to him because Bijoy and Edgar will take this side. So Ajay eventually comes here. Okay, Dilip takes this position. This will be Edgar, and this will be Bijoy. Now, as you can see, this is a reflection of this. B comes here, D comes here, B comes here, A comes here. So whatever is left becomes right, whatever is right becomes left. It's like a mirror, right? So I think this should be enough to clear your confusion. Okay, I would suggest go and watch the next video.